afternoon, Asha family. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Madam is away for a holiday in India. She'll be back in a week's time. Today is last event for the Asha Foundation at Bedworthville, but two other functions will be happening in other centers. We had such a good time this year. We are about 10 so far Asha Foundation in Bedworthville. Singing, dancing, yoga, all happened. Everything. We enjoyed our Asha Foundation organization, and the new thing opening in Liverpool that people simply enjoy it. Anyway, today is as usual. We got yoga, dance, and Bollywood dancing, and lunch will provide as usual. And wish you all the best for New Year. If I don't see you, all the best for Christmas and New Year. Goodbye.
Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. કેમ છો મજા આવે છો નમસ્કાર in and out मेरे साथ एक लंबी सांस लीजिए जो चेस्ट से नहीं पेटों से नहीं स्टमक से आप ले रहे हैं। बैठे ही हम एक्सरसाइज शुरू करते हैं, स्ट्रेचेस शुरू करते हैं। तो पहले हाथ से शुरू करते हैं। जस्ट फॉलो मी। दोनों आप कर सकते हैं हाथ। मैंने कभी मेरी तो माइक है, तो जितना आप उसको स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं। अगर ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है तो आप हाथ को ऐसे पकड़ के उसको स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं। जितना करेंगे उतना बेनिफिट मिलेगा उसका। दोनों तरफ करके तो जितनी बार कर सकते हैं उतना अच्छा है। काउंट करना है, काउंट करके 6, 7, 10 जितनी बार कर सकते हैं। Saying is the real friend in this life. No one in your family or friends. It's only your body. अगर बॉडी तुम्हारी साथ नहीं देगी तो कुछ भी साथ नहीं होगा। तो फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज लुक आफ्टर योर बॉडी, योर हेल्थ। पीठ पे जाइए एंड स्ट्रेच कीजिए जितना कर सकते हैं। उसको टर्न कीजिए। ट्राई टू रीच द स्काई।
I will start with the Bobby song. There's the music called Bobby. मैं शायर तो नहीं. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Oh God, Pari. That's good. Alright, let's start. Hopefully you will all enjoy it.
I'm उषा गोयल और मैं 19 से आशा से जुड़ी हूँ और मैं यहाँ बहुत एंजॉय करती हूँ और थैंक्स देती हूँ विजेंद्र दुग्गल को। उन्होंने इतना अच्छा सीनियर ग्रुप बनाया हुआ है जो हम सीनियर्स को एकदम से एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है और यहाँ आके बहुत 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 एंजॉय करती हूँ। अब मैं सोचती हूँ जो भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सीनियर सिटीज़न आते हैं वो एक बार यहाँ आके ज़रूर मिलें और यहाँ एंजॉय करें। धन्यवाद।
Hi, I am Priya Aswani. I am staying in St. Leonard's and I come always here. I enjoy the program here, and also I am coming from today. I have come from very far. Actually I am new here since 2 years. I found out that Asha Foundation, so I enjoy at once and I enjoy every time I coming here.
Hello, Baldev Dogra here. I am one of the members of Asha family, Asha Australia, and we get together almost every week, and we sing, we dance, we perform yoga, exercise. So it's really good fun for everybody. So this is good, and whoever is listening, I think should contact Asha. I think that's Jinder Dugal, she started it. And everybody should come together here and have fun. Yeah, thank you. And
Sri Akal, Namaste, everything. Most of you know me, Nandini, and I'm going to give you a brief presentation. I know Sonal made you guys do a lot of exercise so you can sit and relax and watch me dancing, and then I will call you. But I'll call you, okay? And you all have to dance as well with me. So to start with, the presentation, what I was thinking is audience choice is on Shakti. Shakti is the strength and goddess's power. So the dance which I'm going to do is on goddesses Durga. Shakti can represent as Lakshmi or Durga or Saraswati or Tridevi or Kali. You can represent anybody. So now it's going to be on Durga. And it's going to be very simple words. So if you can sing, you can sing as well along with it. Okay, it's going to be just Namaste, Namaste only. The words coming as Namaste. Namaste is what we do pronounce. Say that is what is Namaste, right? So we're going to do a Namaste song with the goddesses and for the goddesses. Okay? So are you all ready to watch and witness and enjoy it? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So somebody is coming and stamping on your head, will it be okay? No. No. Please no, not at all. So, Indian traditional dancing is mostly, especially the Bharatanatyam dance or any classical dance, we don't wear shoes. Technically speaking. Like how? Because we treat that as a devotional service to the god. So we don't wear shoes. And then we do this particular dancing. And we do prayers and pranams to a few people in this dancing. First one, we do it for the musicians or any music that we use. Without music, dance doesn't come. Second, we do it for all the gods who presides in all the directions. Then, we do it for Mother Earth, where we take a permission and we dance on you and we say sorry for stamping on her head and dancing. Then we submit all our ego, pride, all the negative qualities, whatever you can name it, to the Almighty, the Supreme, above all of us. Then we bow down by praying Namastes to our teachers, parents, who are the primary teachers for all of us, and all the teachers in our life. Then we go down to the audience who are spending their time and watching us, and to your fellow team members. When we're dancing, we might hit somebody, our legs might touch someone, our hands might touch someone, or we might behave rude or whatever it is. So we say thank you to our fellow dancers. What's the process of doing a namaskaram in any classical form. There might be different ways they do in Kathak, they might be doing it different. For Kuchipudi, they might be doing different. For Bharatanatyam, but this is the primary principles that is followed for dance namaskaram. Okay, I'm going to do that. Try and match the theory, what I just said now, to what I'm practically doing. Try and match to it, then you'll be able to understand what I'm doing. Okay. So this is for getting the dancer to get ready.
Thank you. I'll ask Salia to sing a song, and then uske baad I'll call Poonam and Pari, and then also Gurcharan ji.
Seva desh di jinddiye badi aukhi te gallan karniyan bahut sakhalliyan ne o jinna desh di seva vich पैर पाया ते ओना लख मुसीबतां चलियां ने रहो सलामत अमर शहीदो ज्यों अंबर दे तारे रहो सलामत अमर शहीदो ज्यों अंबर दे तारे साडा ए प्रणाम कबूलो साडा ए प्रणाम कबूलो छोटे वड्डे सारे रहो सलामत अमर शहीदो ज्यों अंबर दे तारे.
For all types of criminal law, family law, immigration law, conveyancing, and employment matters, please contact Tarandeep Singh on 0470 412 600.
Hi, my name is Liana. I'm a model and a law student at UTS, and I love to support local businesses in the area that really help people around. So if you need any help with your house, please call PLU Renovations and Handyman and call Mr. Manu for the best service possible.